Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess. It is another day in Tokyo and it's looking pretty grey and cold outside at the moment, so that's why I've got a jumper on today instead of a t-shirt. And because the weather is looking a little lackluster, I figured I might just go for a relaxing walk around one of the neighborhoods of Tokyo today. I've decided to head out to Shimokitazawa this morning. It's about a 10 or 15 minute train trip away from Shibuya, and apparently when all the Harajuku kids grow up, they all move to Shimokitazawa. It's famous for a lot of cafes and vintage clothing stores, so I thought it could be fun to go check it out. Plus, I've seen that they've got a cafe there called Frankie, which is Melbourne style coffee. As a Melbourne girl myself, I have to go check that out. And then tonight I'm actually meeting up with Ken from MrKenDenis, one of my friends back in Australia. He's actually here in Tokyo. He landed, I think, a couple of days ago, so we're gonna go out for dinner and get Japanese curry tonight. So I'm really looking forward to seeing him. That'll be really nice to catch up in a different country. So that's what I'm getting up to today. So I'm gonna go walk to Shibuya Station and then catch the train to Shimokitazawa. Let's go. Melbourne style. Is it as good as Melbourne coffee? It's pretty good. I also decided to pick up a matcha lamington. Now this is something I have never ever seen before. For all of you who don't live in Australia, lamingtons are really popular in Australia. I won't say they're from Australia because I'm going to get in trouble if I say that, but they're really popular in Australia. It's a real kind of like Aussie treat. So to find one that's matcha, I'm really curious to see what this tastes like. This is probably the best lamington I've ever had in my life. No idea what shop I've walked into, but it's got electronics, it's got clothes, it's got accessories, it's got souvenirs. It's kind of like Don Quixote, but it's not Don Quixote, so just have a look around. Just a cat vending machine. This store is so confusing. There's like 10 different songs all playing at once, and there's a mix of everything here. I don't really know what is happening. Look at this. Books. And then suddenly we're in incense. What is happening in here? Oh my god, Hama beads. I don't know where I am now. I'm out. It felt like I couldn't breathe in there. I think I might try and find somewhere for lunch now too, because I've only had that lamington and coffee at Frankie and I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna try and find a place to have some lunch. So I've come to a place called Rainbow Cafe. It's like a really cute sort of vintage style, pretty much mainly timber interior kind of cafe. It looks really nice. You can drink here, you can have lunch here. I decided to order this because I can read this and this says meat. The rest of it's in kanji, so we'll see what actually comes out. Well, I was kind of right. So there's steak and then there's pork, some mashed potatoes, some salad and some gravy.
did not think I'd be finding good steak in a random like hipster town in Tokyo.
So many vintage designer stores here. Still expensive, but my girl can dream. So it's now the late afternoon. I figured I'd go get something sweet, and there's a cafe that I've seen on Instagram called Shirohige's like cream puff bakery, and they make Totoro like cream puffs. So I am going a little bit later in the day, so hopefully they have some left, but I figured I'd walk there because it's about a 10-minute walk from Shimokitazawa station. So let's go check it out. It looks like it's kind of in a residential area as well, because there's pretty much no one around, only apartments and houses. You can see the Totoro on the sign. So I'm sitting at a table outside. I should have come a little bit earlier because it's really busy upstairs and there's not that many cream puffs left, but luckily the two that I want are available, so so lucky. Kawaii desu ne. Arigatou.
こちらが葉っぱついてるトトロがカスタードの生クリームで、桜のトトロがストロベリーのシュークリームです。
Ah, wakarimasu. Arigatou. Guys, look at their little faces. So this one is the classic. It's a custard cream, and then this one is strawberry flavor. So cute. I don't want to do it. I'm too scared. I'm sorry, Totoro. Whoa. Okay, let's give it a try. I'm not normally a fan of custard, but this is really nice. Sorry, Totoro. I feel like I've eaten a lot of Totoros this trip. And now for the strawberry one. Ooh. It's got strawberry cream inside. This has got custard in it as well, but it's got bits of strawberry in there. Can you guys see that? So I just finished at the bakery. Oh my god, they were so cute. I couldn't actually finish them because they're full of cream, so they're kind of rich to have two to yourself. That was a car. But they were super cute. If you ever get the chance to come to Shimokitazawa, it's definitely worth a visit, just for the cuteness. And they're delicious as well. It's not just like for looks, they actually tasted really good too. So now I'm on my way back to Shimokitazawa station because I'm meeting up with Ken in Shibuya. We're gonna go grab dinner, so I better go get the train. I'm at Shibuya station and I'm meeting Ken at Hachiko. I'm actually on the overpass right now, so I'm gonna see whether I can see him from here. There he is! Hey guys, look, Ken's here! We're both in Tokyo together, so Ken and his partner are staying in Tokyo as well, so we decided to catch up for dinner, to be really nice.
Aww, missed you.
Oh, I miss you too. It's so nice to see Ken like in Japan.
It's another country, new experiences, and food.
We are heading to Koko Curry today, so that is this place over here. We're gonna go get some curry now, so let's go.
Let's go.
Spicy curry with the pork as opposed to all the other porks.
Jacket just take like one big.
Yeah.
So it's ridiculous.
We've just come to Uragawa Cafe. I actually came here with Yuma a few years ago, like 4 or 5 years ago now, and I thought it'd be a nice place to have some dessert. It's a really cute little kitsch place, sort of in a back street of Shibuya, so if you ever want a quiet place to hang out, come here. So we just finished having coffee and cake, and so we're gonna both head back to our Airbnbs now.
It's getting late.
It's like 11:10 at the moment, so I have to walk back to my Airbnb and then Ken has to go catch a train, so it's time to say goodnight. But it was so nice catching up in Tokyo. It was so good to see you.
Good to see you.
Enjoy the rest of your trip.
Thank you. Hopefully you two got 1 week left.
I know, I've only got 1 week. It feels weird saying that. I just won't say it. I have ages left.
Ages.
I just have to be positive.
Ages.
But I will see you guys back at my Airbnb. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back at my apartment now. I had a really good time catching up with Ken and his partner in Tokyo tonight. It was just, there is something really cool and kind of grown up about meeting up with your friends in another country, and we just had such a good time. So it's actually pretty late now, so I think I'm going to head to bed. So in tomorrow's vlog, I'm actually traveling to a few different places in Tokyo. There is a video game called Persona 5 which came out I think a year or two ago, but it is my #1 favorite video game. It's really good. If you have a PlayStation, highly recommend you check it out. But it's actually set in Tokyo, and it's literally real life Tokyo. A lot of the game is actually a spot on replica of a real life Tokyo, so I thought it would be fun to visit a couple of those places to compare the difference. This is just me nerding out. So that is what I'm getting up to tomorrow. It should be pretty fun, maybe just for the nerds like me. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and I will catch you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.